60-second tasting with a stranger. Go. Who are you? Where are you from?
Yeah, my name is Tom Robinson. I'm from the Hydropath Society. I'm an ex-Californian winemaker making wines in the Adelaide Hills and McLaren Vale.
All right. So what wine did we choose?
We chose the Anderson Hill 2019 Lenswood Chardonnay, and that is a fabulous estate vineyard. So I'm looking forward to sniffing that one.
Colour?
Color,
I'm going to say pea straw.
pea straw is good for me.
Yeah. What do you reckon?
No, I would say pea straw because you
Woohoo,
just
got
said
something
it.
right. Okay,
No,
on the
it's
nose.
absolutely
Quick,
right.
60 seconds on the
Go
nose.
ahead. I'm doing nose and mouth.
Oh, you didn't wait for me.
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, it's not lifted yet, really, but it does have similar straw notes. It's got some minimal barrel effect, and clean and green, really, from the high elevation, cool climbs. So I reckon green apple,
That's a good
wonderful.
call.
Yeah, wonderful mouthfeel.
Cheers.
Fantastic.